You guys have heard of cowboy caviar? Well, today I'm gonna give you charro caviar. It's the Mexican take on that delicious thing that can be a topping or its own salad, or you can just eat it in so many ways. I'm gonna start by making the dressing that's gonna coat the charro beans, and I'm gonna use both the brine and the chile of the pickled jalapenos in brine because this pickling brine is delicious. It has a base of vinegar and spices, and it has all of the flavor from the chiles just sitting in there. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm gonna add the juice of a lime. Did you hear the juice? That was so much juice. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of dried oregano. It's so delicious. Then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. I'm gonna chop it finely, and I'm using the leaves and the stems. Okay, that's more than a 1/4 cup. You can tailor to taste. Now I'm gonna whisk. And then we're just gonna make these really chunky and colorful. I'm gonna add yellow bell pepper and orange bell pepper, and this is just finely diced. Then I'm gonna add my pickled jalapenos, and I'm gonna use them all. I'm a pickled jalapeno maniac, and I'm chopping them. I'm laughing because I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is too much, but trust me, it's not too much. Now we need the scallions. So I'm removing the bottom and the tops. Are these the bottoms or the tops?
That's the bottom.
The bottom, okay. I always call them the tops because they look like the hair of the scallion, but okay. I'm slicing the scallions thin, and I'm gonna use the white and light green parts for my charro caviar, and I'm gonna slice the top dark green parts to have for the garnish. Ah, that crunch! Such a delicious crunch. And then we're gonna add cherry tomatoes that I already cut in half. And then I'm gonna add 1 can of whole black beans that I already drained, and 1 can of pinto beans that I already drained as well. And then I'm just gonna mix these. Oh, this is looking so beautiful. Yum. It's a good idea to let these marinate for like 10 to 15 minutes so that everything comes together. So look, the beauty, so pretty. Today, I'm going to assemble in a tostada. You can make your corn tostadas at home, but you can buy such good ones at the store. I'm just gonna top them with my charro beans. And then we're gonna add some ripe avocado. The ripe avocado reveal, I think, is one of the most beautiful reveals ever. Oh, look. Yum. So colorful. I'm gonna make slices. Am I gonna put this whole half of a ripe avocado on my tostada? See? Oh my God, is this too much? Is this too much? It is too much! But we're gonna super pump up el sabor even more. And I'm gonna add some queso fresco. Yum, yum, yum. Look at this tostada. I mean, you know it's gonna get messy. And you know you have a license to get messy because it's a tostada. Look at this, it's so fresh, it's so bright. You have the crunch from the bell peppers and the cilantro, the stems of the cilantro, and then you have the brine and the spiciness of the jalapenos. You have the salty of the queso, you have the creamy of the avocado. You just have so much going on. This is so yum and it's so much fun. You have to try making your own charro caviar tostada at home.